Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix an SD error code on Maytag. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you need to do here or you need to check here. So first is you want to check the rinse status light. Now if you see the SUD or SD with the rinse status light on, it means the washer is currently working to remove excess suds. So allow the cycle to complete as it should handle the S or suds removal process. Next is you want to inspect the complete cycle light. Now if you notice the SUD or SD with the complete cycle light illuminated indicates the washer detected too many suds during the cycle. This might mean that your load hasn't been rinsed thoroughly or that water has been completely removed. To address this, select a rinse spin cycle to give your load an additional rinse. Next, make sure you're using high efficiency or HE detergent. Non-HE detergents or using more than the recommended amount can cause excessive suds. So excess suds can slow down the washer spin speed, leave your clothes wetter, and increasing the overall cycle time due to the extra rinsing. And also, always measure the detergent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Consider the load size and soil level, and using too much detergent can cause excessive suds, leading to similar issues with rinsing and spin speed. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.